Okay, so this is the oxygen concentrator brand Sysmat M50. This is 5-liter machine. Okay, I'm going to show you how to operate this oxygen concentrator machine. Okay, first make sure you never tilt this machine. Never lay down when you keep aside. Never lay down the machine. It must be stand like this. Must be like this. If not, the component inside will be damaged. Okay, that is the first precaution that you have to do. Okay, then how to operate this is, first you connect to the power supply, and then you can turn on this here. Right now, the machine will show the oxygen level. This is the oxygen level. Oxygen high means that when the machine is in good condition, it must be oxygen high. If oxygen low, there is something wrong with the machine. The machine need to be serviced, need to be checked. Okay, so here is where you control the liter per minute that the patient need. Let's say patient need 2 liter per minute, so you adjust the ball above the 2 meter line. Okay, so if the patient need 3 liter, you adjust to 3 liter. Okay, right. So when you want to use this oxygen concentrator, you need 2 accessories. One is the humidifier bottle. Humidifier bottle is to connect the top. This tube you connect to the top and connect to the machine. So it must be like this. Connect here and then connect to the top of the bottle. You put here. There is a strap here to secure the bottle. Okay, so you connect from top to the machine. Alright. And then another one is the nasal cannula. Nasal cannula is to supply the oxygen to the patient. So the nasal cannula you connect from this side of the bottle, and then connect to the patient, to the nose. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Basically that's it, what you need to set up, how to use it. Another thing is, you have to make sure to never block this area. You cannot put against the wall like this. Cannot, never. Because if you block the airways, behind here is the filter. If you block this filter, the machine will detect there is no enough air, and then it will alert to low oxygen. Okay, so make sure you put apart from the wall, and then never block the side or the behind of the machine. Okay, yeah, that's it, how to use the oxygen concentrator.